This is a video I took at the Audubon Community Nature Center with my father. He volunteers there quite a bit and works for them sometimes too. And he took me out in the canoe and gave me a tour of the big pond there. This is an area I spent a lot of time at as a kid, so it's kind of cool to go back as an adult and get the tour of the pond. All right, we're recording here.
All right.
So we go like this, straight like that.
Yeah. Let me put my sunglasses on.
Okay.
Now, once
Kind of sit back when you're doing it too. Lean back a little bit.
you can, it's up to you.
Okay. You know, I wanted to go in the tandem kayak forever and no one would go. This is just about as good though.
Once the paddle gets to your hip,
Yeah.
then you pull it out.
Okay.
Because then it's just wasted effort.
Do you ever film underwater here? There's probably all kinds of cool fish here.
I never did. No, I don't have nothing to film underwater with.
Oh yeah. I was looking at my look at all the fish and shit, man. They're jumping around.
No, it's full of fishes.
Yeah, I love looking at like the wildlife and stuff.
See all this stuff laying on the top?
Yeah.
That's spiked brush, and somebody's cutting it off for the winter time. I think it's a muskrat.
Oh, nice.
And if you look over here,
Which left or right?
that's a canoe.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's the beaver dam.
That's a beaver line.
Okay.
And all that stuff that we're paddling through is spatter duck, but it's all died down now.
Okay. Yeah, I remember they had a lot of spatter dock here. I feel like you're doing most of the paddling here.
I'm doing the steering. You
There,
just
there's a big rock, a big log right there or something.
that's spatter duck. That's the spatter duck root.
Okay. Oh, there's a big log we're kind of bouncing off here.
That was Mr. Beaver. See how this is all clear in here ahead of us?
Yeah, the water. Yeah.
Mr. Beaver's been doing that.
Okay, he's out here
Keep it all
swimming
cleaned
around.
out. He's got a little trail through here.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yep, he cleans all the spatter duck out, and it's got a little channel in there.
Man, look at all. There's a lot of wildlife in here too, compared to like where I usually go.
There's another beaver highway right ahead of us here.
Yeah.
Where it's clear.
Yep. Over that way.
Yep, and we go up here like this. And come in here. And then if you look right straight ahead, see how it's all open water there?
Oh yeah.
That's a beaver canal. There's a beaver canal in there. It cleans everything out. And when you get up in there, if you look, you go a little bit off to the side.
Okay.
Now look down in the water.
Okay.
See how it's really deep?
Yeah. It's pretty deep
And
here.
if we go off to the side, and then you look, see how it gets, can you see how it's shallower?
I can see it's shallower and it's weedy.
Yeah, because what he does is he takes all the mud and puts it up on the sides and makes the channel deeper.
Oh man, he's like digging a boat canal for
Yeah,
himself.
that's what he's doing. And then
Yeah.
it goes all the way, we just follow it all the way over here, and it goes into the standard.
Okay.
Yeah, I got to come down here and do this 2 days a week all summer long.
Man, this is a pretty nice area to canoe in. Jeez.
Yeah, we spent 6 hours down, a week down here.
That's great. This canoe's pretty fast. This is kind of nice.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah.
The only time it's not fun is you're up on a lake and it's windy and choppy.
Yeah. It's not fun in any small watercraft though.
No.
Unless you're looking for that. I paddled all the way down to the yacht club and back at my Canandaigua Lake and it was super choppy.
One time we had to put about 8 pounds of rock in the middle of the canoe because it was windy and choppy. And then we would just canoe all over because we were looking for water. So we're still in the beaver canal right now.
Yeah.
And you can see it, if you look ahead, you can see it all the way up there. And of course you see a bunch of open water in there. The beaver's been in there working.
Yeah. Man, this thing effortlessly goes through these lily pads too, huh?
It does now because of water.
Okay.
In the summertime, this stuff that you're looking at now is water seed.
Okay.
It's not the static dock. Static dock is the stuff that's like old and dried up there.
Okay.
But that stuff would probably be anywhere from 12 to up to 2 foot tall. So you couldn't
Oh man, so you couldn't even get through it.
you couldn't even get through it. And this little stuff on the side here,
Okay.
looks like little teeny water lilies.
Yep.
That's frogfish. That's an invasive species too.
Okay.
They haven't figured out how to get rid of that. I think that's pretty tough to get rid of.
Yeah. A lot of those plants are. So what kind of fish are in here?
There's bullhead, bass, pike, carp,
Man.
sunfish, a little bit of everything. Anything that's in the Conowanga is in here.
Okay. Let's just float around a little bit here. I'm gonna I don't want to just like look at it, get some slow shots and stuff. That's nice, man. This is a nice area to be at.
I suggested before that they could do like little tours out here.
Yeah, yeah. Especially if you had somebody that was like, they could explain everything like you're doing here. It's all clear over here too.
Yeah. This is not so much beaver in here. This is just so much
The wind and stuff.
wind and stuff. I think it's
Oh man.
you can see him.
Yeah.
Now we'll go over here.
Okay.
We're gonna run into it and we'll go up there and then there's a beaver lodge up in there.
Okay. I think I see it. It's off to the left a little bit.
We won't be able to see the lodge until we get right on it.
Oh, I think I see the canal. Yeah.
The canal's right straight ahead.
Oh, okay,
No
okay.
canal.
Yeah, I see it. Okay, I was looking at the one over there.
That one goes over to Three Sisters.
Okay. What's that? What's Three Sisters?
Three Sisters is just like, that goes in there and then there's a little causeway and then there's a little teeny pond and then from there it goes into Saturday.
Oh, okay. So can you get through all the waterways around here on just a canoe? Can you get to Spider Dock in this thing too, or no?
No, not unless you pull out and carry the canoe.
Okay, that's what I was wondering, if it was all navigable by boat.
See if we can get up in there.
Man, it's pretty shallow here. Look at the bottom's right there.
The water hasn't gone down, we can get up in there. In the summertime, we couldn't get in here.
Because the water was too,
Early in the spring, but then when everything blew up, we couldn't get back in here.
yeah. I'm hitting mud with the paddle, like real shallow, so it's definitely pretty shallow here.
He's got a little canal in there. That's why all that mud is on the edge.
Yeah.
If you get the right spot, your canoe paddle will go right down to the top.
Yeah. I got about half a paddle of water to work with here, it looks like. Oh, there's some deep spots too.
just so you can understand. This
Okay.
was all full of brush.
Oh, really?
When we were first moved in here,
Yeah.
you couldn't even have a cattle up through here.
He's cleared it all out, huh?
He's come in and he's cleaned it all out. And then if you look right straight ahead, that brushy stuff,
Yeah.
that's the other beaver.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Right through there.
Yep.
And that's when you don't want to back paddle, you need to paddle back.
Back paddle. Okay.
Yeah.
That's how you
Slide
stop.
in there?
Are we gonna go into this log here or no?
No.
Okay, we're just gonna go backwards.
Paddle in.
Okay.
See if you can come around the other side and get a better look at it. But he's got canals all over in here now.
Okay. Whew. You want to go that way?
No, you won't get any. You won't
Oh, okay.
get anywhere in there. It'll just get real.
Super hard to get through.
See if we can get through here.
Okay.
We used to be able to get to the other spot, but I think he's.
Yeah, it looks pretty shallow. There's a log here. I'm going to back paddle to like stop us here. I don't know. Where do you want to go?
We used to be able to get through here, but I think it's grown up. We can't get
Yeah, it
in
looks
now.
super weedy and grown up. Which way are we going?
I'm going to spin us around because we won't be able to get through here.
Okay. I'll back paddle
Wait a
here.
minute, wait a minute.
Okay.
I think there's another ladder in there.
Oh, straight ahead through there?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is. Just go slow because it's like there's sticks and stuff, so don't hit your head.
Just break them sticks off if they're in the way.
Yeah. I think we can get through. Here, hold on.
Put your paddle right down on the ground and see if you can shove it through.
I'm going to get this stick out of the way. Hold on. It's probably like the longest possible way to do that, but whatever. It's done. All right. Yeah, it's pretty shallow. All right, yeah, there's definitely a beaver lodge up here, though. Now it's super sticky. I can't get any further, though.
Yeah.
See the lodge, though?
I found that last winter. And it was just a little, no bigger than a muskrat house.
Oh, nice. So now
But
it's like,
he's added to it now.
yeah. He's got a pretty good setup back here.
No.
Um,
I gotta try to get back
I
up.
think we can just go backwards, right? I can just push really hard here.
If we go straight back.
Yeah.
He's probably got a canal in there somewhere to get to that house. This isn't it.
Yeah. Hold on. All right, you gotta put. I'm just getting like mud and shit here. Are you getting grip?
Go forward, man. Go forward.
Okay.
All right, now,
Go back again.
we gotta go back in the same way we came out or we run in.
Yep.
I'm gonna come back up in here and wander around in the waiter and see if he's got any more houses in there.
Yeah, he's definitely super active back here. Oh, I'm going into this bush here. I need a little rest after we get out of there. My arm's tired from
Huh?
my arm is tired.
Your arms are tired.
The one side, yeah, because this is different than kayak paddling.
Holy shit.
Yeah. You want to turn around here?
I'm gonna turn around.
Okay.
I don't know, but
Okay. Now you want to. There's a log.
that's why we don't paddle fast. If you hit one of them suckers going fast and you get beside the canoe,
You're going and you're taking a swim.
you can't take it just
Yeah. Whew. Yeah, let's just take a little. We can just float around a little bit. You normally just paddle the whole time.
yeah.
Man, that's a lot of paddle. Normally I just float around on the lake when I go kayaking. I do like a little.
But I don't paddle just, I just paddle like this. And that's okay.
Yeah, I was going like pretty.
To me, it's more comfortable if I sit up straight.
Okay, I was trying to figure out the best way to do it.
The best way is to sit up straight.
Okay.
I mean, lean forward just a little bit.
Oh yeah, okay.
And when you paddle, if you like pivot from the waist, so you're not pulling with your arms so much, then it's more efficient.
I think that's what I was doing. Why my arms got so tired.
Look it up on YouTube. You learn everything on YouTube.
I didn't know anything about canoeing until we got here today. So like half an hour ago. Yeah, there is.
There's another beaver lodge down here. We'll go down there and we'll go up the little.
Okay.
This is where the
Big old log. Oh, that's a spider doctor. That's right. Man, those look a lot like logs, huh?
yeah, that's kind of that group. They're
Yeah.
like rhizomes. So
Yeah.
So they'll spread.
Okay.
So what happens is the beaver chews them off, and then they float around and sprout, and then they take roots. And they gotta go back.
Spider docs are kind of bad too, or what?
Well, spider docs not basic, but it's eventually going to take over the whole pond if they don't keep up.
Oh, okay. Just real thick and meaty. This is a lot easier to paddle like this.
Alright, sitting up there.
It's like twice as easy, yeah.
My hand on top of the paddle is usually about 12 height. If you get it up too high, then it's like uncomfortable to paddle.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get the balance. Because I'm used to the kayak, which is kind of like this.
Paddle in there too. The paddle length is depending on how far you can
Oh,
set
okay.
up for animals.
Oh, okay, yeah. You go out in the canoe with Adam much?
What?
You go out in the canoe with Adam much?
No, I didn't this year.
He was talking about getting a fishing kayak for next year.
Yeah. There's that other beaver.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's a big one. No, we come out here and paddle like this all day long.
This is cool. They can let you do this. You could probably make all kinds of cool videos here at the Audubon. All kinds of stuff.
If I knew how to do it without swearing, I'd be awesome.
I can edit the video in post-production.
Now, when we get up in here,
Yeah.
we got to go slow because we got a zigzaggy.
Okay.
Because he's got feed piles in there. We got to get around them, and we're just running around.
So we want to go off to the left of this one. It looks like
We're
here.
gonna go off to the left here.
Okay.
We're just kind of gonna. You can kind of see his trail there.
Yep.
That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go in here, and then we're gonna take a sharp right.
Well, you're steering, right?
Yep.
Pretty much. I just won't go too
I'm
fast.
steering. You steer the wrong way, I'll tell you.
Okay.
Now, if we go a sharp right, then you're gonna put your paddle in on the left.
Okay. You want me to paddle left here?
You can paddle left, and I'll turn.
This way. I want to go the other way.
And we just go the other way. We're gonna swing around the feed pile.
All right, you steering us here? Yep.
This was an old beaver dam or beaver lodge at one time, and I came down here and hiked up here in the winter time, and something had dug out the whole back side of it.
Something like what would do that?
Well,
A
I
beaver?
don't know.
A bear?
A bear might have. I can't think of much else. It was bears or coyotes or something.
Yeah. You know, we saw a coyote on Route 332 in Farmington the other day.
I don't doubt it.
Yeah. It was me and Pat. We're like, holy shit.
Yeah, now we're just poodle on down through here. There's another little beaver dam down in here.
Okay.
Once we hit that, we're done unless we decide we want to get out of the boat and go over the dam.
No, I don't want to get out of the boat.
I don't either.
I wear all my stuff for it's only good in the boat. All these clothes.
All this water comes from Turtle Pond west.
Okay.
There's a small pond in here. And it drains, and there's a spring in here too. It's open all winter.
Okay.
So the water in here comes from that spring and the Turtle Pond west. Adam and I tried to walk up through it in the fall.
Yeah.
But we couldn't do it because the brush is so thick along the edges. You can't walk up the middle because the mud got too deep.
Oh, okay.
I was like nipple deep in the mud, and I still had to touch bottom with the chest waders on, so we had to bail out.
And this is cool.
Because you'll think you put your paddle down in there, and you'll think, well, it's not that deep.
It's probably all that mud that
But
sucks
then
you right
you're
down.
sinking 3 foot of mud.
Yeah.
All right, we got to do a sharp right here.
So that means paddle this way.
Yep. This is probably the coolest spot in Audubon,
Yeah, this is really cool back here.
as far as I'm concerned.
It's like super narrow, super overgrown like this too.
This is my favorite place to see.
Yeah. Very cool.
Here's the beaver. He got a little canal back up into here too.
Yeah. Whoop.
I think we got a stick up there. We got a bite.
A stick off to the left there.
Actually, there's a couple of them.
I do see a big one up there.
We're going to go on the right-hand side of that, and then we're going to try to move it up over your head.
Okay.
Go slow. Back paddling, and then when we get in there, we'll try to get it up over.
Probably just That's a pain in the ass to
You
get
can
past.
break it off.
Yeah, we just have to break off part of it. I could probably get the next one up here too. I don't know about this. I got some of it. Here, watch that one though. I got it.
See a lot of beaver debris in the water.
Is that what all those leaves and shit are?
Huh?
Is that what all the leaves are, or like what?
Not the leaves, the sticks that are chewed off.
Oh, okay.
Now we gotta do another separate. And we're gonna go on the right hand side of this stick.
Okay. Oh, there was a big ass snake right there. It was huge.
Northern water snake.
Man, he was big as shit though. That was cool. I wonder if the camera got him. This has got to be the end of the road here though, huh? We can't really get past that.
Beaver dam right
Yeah. Oh, are we gonna back pedal here?
I don't think we get turned around. Maybe.
Which way are we going? To the right?
We're gonna pedal forward first. Go forward a little bit.
Okay.
See if I got enough room to swing it to me. You can pedal on the right hand side and you should swing around. If not, we'll just make another turn.
We're doing like a 6-point turn.
Something like that.
Alright, I'm back pedaling here now a little bit, right? Are you on the bank on your side or not?
Put your pedal down there and push it right off the ground. And front end to swing right off. Put it on a 45 and push.
I think we're slowly getting there.
We'll get there.
There we go.
Now we're going to back up again.
A couple more sticks coming up. I'm gonna go sharp left now, right?
Yep. I could do this all day long.
This is super cool back here, yeah.
Now, we're going to go slow here.
We gotta go past this stick again, right?
Yep, we got to back pedal.
Yep.
Come in slow, so if we got to move sticks, we can move sticks.
I think we need to steer us a little more to the right. Oh no, there's 6 here. I think they're just floating now.
Sometimes I think it's going to work.
Watch out, that's like spring loaded to mess your shit up, so watch out for it. Oh. Are you through?
Almost. I should come down here with the nippers and nip them off.
Yeah, that's actually not a bad idea.
If I ever come out here, I'm going to come out here again, don't
Yeah. We're coming out again tomorrow, aren't we? Yeah, I got nothing to do. Is there any other cool places to canoe that you like to go to?
Put the paddle out there, stop.
I just ran right into it. That's probably the best way to do it. So I'm gonna turn.
The other cool place is the outlet.
We go up there tomorrow if we got time.
Tomorrow Sunday,
Yeah.
that'd be tougher to do.
Why's that?
Huh?
Why's that?
That's a long paddle. So
Oh, is it?
we can bring Mom down here in a while, maybe.
Yeah. She can sit in the middle. We can paddle her around.
She can be the princess. Anybody that gets to sit in the middle, they're the princess.
Oh, because I don't have to do any work.
They don't have to do any work. All the times I've come down here and paddled around, I've only ever seen a beaver once or twice.
I'm sure he makes it his business to stay like
He's
to not be around.
he's supposed to be out early morning and early evening. He's caught him on camera at 2 o'clock in the morning.
What do you got? You got trail cams out here and stuff?
Not anymore.
So who do you usually come down here with? People from work?
That's it.
Oh, okay.
This is the first time I've come down here and paddled recreation.
Oh, okay. This is a nice recreational pond. But I gotta go around through the zigzag again, huh?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, we've been doing that right.
So that means I gotta go. That's what I thought, yeah. I was getting ready and I'm like, wait a minute.
I told people shit.
Oh, that's like blurry too. I gotta. Now I want to go this way.
Did mother tell you about us doing a little game we call being the leader?
No, we're going right into this stick here. We need to. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you get up in the morning and somebody can't find their glasses or whatever. And the other one finds it and they get to be the leader. So they screw up and lose their glasses or I can't remember what the hell they were doing. And then the other one gets to be the leader. So you trade back and forth. You get to be the leader for a while.
That's a good system, though. Yeah. We're still going pretty fast. I've paddled 2 miles like this into the wind in the kayak, so. It's easier. I think it's pretty easy in the kayak, though, if you know what you're doing.
It's probably easier because you're a little lower to the ground.
Yeah.
Not as much wind resistance.
Yeah, the sit-in too is you're like right in the water, basically.
You don't have a 16-foot.
Yeah. I told you I was looking at buying an underwater drone, right, for next year. It's a big underwater drone, and it comes it's got like a little controller and stuff, and it's got a 300-foot tether on it. So you can put it in water like this, and it films in like 4K. And it's got a mount for the GoPro too, so you can actually put 2 cameras on it. Yeah.
We could probably put it in here in the springtime.
Yeah.
But
It's pretty weedy now, for sure.
in the July and August.
Yeah. That's what I was going to do in Canandaigua Lake, is try to just get a feel for it.
Before the water came up in this pond, we wouldn't have known to do it. You've just been standing right across the top of the
Lily pads and stuff.
rock bed.
Yeah. Yeah, if you want, I usually get up early. We can go tomorrow morning if you want, before the casino. Yeah, or after, but I don't know if we're gonna want to go full of
No. Hey, there's people out there.
Oh, where?
They're waiting.
Oh, I didn't even notice. They probably think we look so cool out here in the canoe.
Yeah, I've seen lots of cool stuff up here.
Yeah, there's a lot. This is a very dense, like biodiverse area for how small it is.
I was out here one time with Adam, and we looked for red-winged blackbird nests.
Okay.
and checking the nest out and keep an eye on the baby birds and stuff.
Yeah.
And we were looking at it. I said, there's a nest. And I said, well, let's go check to see what's in it. And there was a fly sitting there, 3 feet off the ground. Still ain't figure out how we got in there. I was in a leak of faith.
Probably hopped up there, yeah. This is way easier to paddle like this.
Yeah, I know it.
I figured I was doing something wrong because it was like super hard to.
Yeah, you want to sit up straight and lean forward a little bit. That was the best for me.
Yeah. Oh, there's a stick here, I think. Oh, it's just nothing though.
This got super low this summer because we didn't have any water.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
It was like, you saw 8, 10 inches of water.
I think I was down here in July with you, and it was really dried out. Remember we walked up to that blind over there? One of those blinds. The paved one?
Oh, that's right straight ahead.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we walked up to that, yeah. What are you looking for? Oh yeah, I can hear them.
Well, we watched 3 ospreys one time fishing up here at the same time.
That'd be cool. Those are cool birds.
Yeah.
Osprey.
They didn't catch anything.
Yeah.
It was probably the youngsters and
Bye, geese.
what?
I said bye, geese. I'd still like to get this canoe on Canandaigua Lake a couple times, or at least Chautauqua Lake.
Chautauqua Lake is not that much fun.
Really?
It's just a lake.
Yeah.
That lake's more fun.
That's why, like, yeah, Canandaigua's got a lot of stuff to do, like, around the lake.
You go up to the lake and canoe up the tributaries that come into the lake, then it's a little bit better. We went up Goose Creek and then we went up Prendergast Creek. Those are pretty good.
Yeah, I think any kind of creek or swamp is interesting.
Swamps are my favorite.
Yeah. Well, I like the lake for testing rough water. If you want to exercise, that's pretty fun to, like, go in the rough water. But
Not in a canoe.
no. No.
Not unless you get 80 pounds of rocks in the middle.
Yeah.
The guy in the front knows what he's doing. There's a little, that's a muskrat feedback straight ahead.
The thing that, like, it looks like a stump a little bit.
Yep.
What is it called?
That's a feedback.
A feed bag?
Bed.
Okay. Did he make that, or did you make that for him?
No, they make
Oh, okay.
They put a bunch of cattails and all kinds of shit, and then they can get up out of the water and have lunch.
Rest up a little bit. That's cool.
I don't see as many houses as I used to.
Muskrat houses?
Muskrat houses. There used to be a ton of them. But I don't know. I saw one great big one the other day that he's working on through the winter.
You know, this is the first time I've been in a boat without a life jacket on.
If you fall out, stand up.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Yeah, I can see the bottom as we're going past it here.
Huh?
I mean, I can see the bottom as we're going around
Yeah,
it.
you might sink in the mud a little bit here.
Yeah.
The places you gotta watch out for is where the beavers meet at canals and stuff.
Yeah, because it's probably real muddy.
Well, it's real
Oh,
muddy.
it's deep
And
too.
if you step into one of those canals, you go over your roof.
Yeah.
It happened to Courtney.
Went in too deep.
And she slipped on the edge of it. I think she was short anyway.
Look at all those birds up there.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's cool. So she went in too deep.
Well, I was right behind her, so I grabbed the back of her waders and picked her up out of the water so she didn't slip. She got wet. You see deer out on these little islands.
Oh, really? That's
Yeah,
cool.
I think they come out and take a nap. So if something sneaks up on them, they can hear it coming through the water. I don't know.
Yeah.
Got pictures of a little fawn. He was on the island. Just he was standing there looking at it. I didn't read it.
Yeah, is there like a house over there or something?
It is. He's got it way up.
Yeah, he's rocking
Yeah,
out.
Jim Gage looking.
I guess it is Saturday night. He's probably getting ready to.
Yeah, he got a little. He got his house over there, and he's got a little generator for his off grid. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm watching this guy on YouTube now, Jim Gage.
Okay.
He's going down the river up to western Canada. But he does like whitewater.
Yeah, that's hard though.
Oh,
You got to know what you're doing to do that. That'd be fun
A lot
though.
of times he spends more time going
In the water.
out of the canoe and checking
Yeah.
ahead to see if he can run it. And then if he can't, then he's got a portage.
Yeah.
And
Oh, he's whitewater canoeing, not even whitewater kayaking. Man, that's
he's whitewater canoeing. He's
Yeah.
got like a skirt on his canoe.
yeah.
So he puts everything in the canoe and zips up the skirt. He's all by himself too. So
Man.
he says you gotta be pretty careful.
Don't get knocked out. Yeah.
He's in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
Nobody else was on that river. They flew him in and dropped him off at some lake, and then that's the headwaters to that river, and then he's just going down the river.
Man. As long as there was like a hotel every night I could sleep in, I would like to do that.
There's no hotel. We can find this.
Oh man, look at all this. This is what you call this stuff? Frog stuff?
Like that.
Man, there's a ton of it back here, huh?
Yeah. If the water wasn't up, we'd be trying to paddle across the top of it.
Yeah.
We wouldn't be able to do it.
We lucked out, huh?
Yeah.
It's just kind of.
It gets tough when you're trying to walk through this stuff too.
Oh, I'm sure, yeah. This just kind of peters out right here too. It looks like a little bit.
Yeah, we can go around the island.
Oh, there's a little, yeah, like I said, a little bit.
A lot of times in the summer, I just give up on the paddle, and I got a long pole, and I just pull us around.
Yeah.
'Cause it's easier than paddling. This is the island that had the little fawn on it.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh, I see beaver signs. Holy shit.
What's that?
Right there. Some sticks in the water.
Oh, he took all the bark off of them, huh?
Yeah.
And they're fresh. Cool. There's bunch more back in there too. It looks like.
Cool.
Yeah.
You could take a picture of that with your GoPro.
It's on there. It's a pain in the butt to move it around when it's on the boat.
Yeah,
It should have picked it up though. It's got the wide angle.
well, the other day when we were going down because that's right behind us is the bluebird field that we drove down to come in here.
Yeah.
All right, he cut a poplar tree down and dropped it partway across the road, and that's probably where that came from.
Yeah. You haul it back in here.
I hope you put the northern lodge in. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. This is my favorite time of day to be on the water, by the way.
Yeah.
Like early, I guess it's like late afternoon, and the sun's kind of like this height in the sky.
You can go do Kendrew Reservoir too.
Canoeing?
Yeah, but you got. I think it'd be more fun to stay right along the shoreline.
Yeah. This is definitely a cool area to canoe. You're right. Always something to look at. Because the lake is sometimes you're sitting in the middle of the lake doing nothing, which kind of sucks. Yeah.
Yeah, the lake is like boring.
Yeah.
See, it's blue hair.
Oh, I think I see him too straight ahead, right?
Straight ahead. Yeah, it looks like the beaver's been all over here now along the side. See where it's all open?
Yeah.
Yep.
I guess that's where the phrase busy as a beaver probably comes from, huh?
He is.
Yeah.
Now we come down and unplug the overflow pipe. Take us about an hour. If you plug it all up. And then you come back the next day and it's all plugged up again. Oh, shoot, there's two of them. They're straight ahead of us. See?
Oh, yeah, they're flying over the water, yeah.
I think they have a rookery at Loomis Bay Wildlife Refuge, I think it is, up on the lake,
Up at Chocolate.
up at the Kentucky. Somebody told me that yesterday. Because they don't nest here. They'll come, I see them down here all the time, but I guess they nest in rookeries.
Okay. Huh. I went back and saw that same one that was on the Erie Canal. Remember we saw when we had your canoe?
Yeah, I saw it on your,
Yeah.
YouTube video.
Yep.
I think we gotta go check that party out. It sounds like he's having a good time.
All right.
Who's Friday party?
I feel like I used to know his kid. Yeah, that name sounds familiar. Gage.
Levi.
I knew an Aaron Gage too. I don't know if they're related or not.
Might be related. I knew Levi, and then he's got a brother, but I can't remember his name.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I knew Aaron. Aaron was like one.
Levi was in Scouts with us. was at him.
Okay.
Yeah, I like the his plan. He like breaking everybody up.
Oh, there's another blind up here too, huh?
That's photo blind.
Okay.
There's a trail. When you go past that Adirondack shelter, there's a trail. It comes down. There's a little peninsula that comes out in the middle of the town.
Oh, okay.
This used to be an island too, and then they filled it in so you could get to it.
What used to be an island? The blind? Man, I ate like 4 pieces of pizza earlier today, so I'm glad we're out paddling a little bit. They were little pieces because it was from Taste of Pizza, so.
No, I made hamburgers.
That sounds pretty good. You got cheese to put on them too?
Yep.
Okay.
He's carving himself a channel out right on the top of it.
Yeah. I can see it down there.
You look on both sides, see how he's got all the vegetation going?
Yeah, it's all stacked up over here.
I forget how many thousands of gallons of water they had just by putting this stuff in.
Oh, because it raises the water level so much, or what?
Well, it can hold a lot more water.
Oh, yeah.
Put this little canal through the back.
Yeah, I guess it adds more surface area to the pond, huh?
See, there's a little feed bed in here. I don't think we can get to, I don't think we can get to it.
Oh, back here. It's pretty deep. He's got a canal right here.
What?
It's pretty deep right in front of me. He's definitely we're on his canal here.
Straight ahead, you got a little feed bed back there.
Oh, yeah. You want to go back in there or no? It's pretty...
It's underwater. It's underwater now,
Yeah.
but it's in there.
Man, these pants are awesome. My legs aren't even cold at all. It's windy out too.
They're waterproof.
Waterproof, yeah. This is my first real cold weather windy test of them. So I'm pretty happy with how it's going here.
Get a wetsuit.
Yeah, I gotta get like a top. I think is what I have to get. And I need like socks so my shoes don't feel full of water if I step in over. Like it's only waterproof if the water is 2 inches deep. Otherwise you get your shoes full of water.
Now we're going over the Beaver Highway.
Okay. Oh yeah, man, it's deep too here.
Yep. Squeeze it right out.
Yeah. That's what you got to take your underwater drone through, is send it through the Beaver Highway.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
That's why you got to be more careful walking out here now when you got fifth waders.
Oh, because you go right over here. Yeah.
Well, you know when you get to them because you hit the mud on the edges first.
Yeah.
But if you're not careful and you step in there, it's still 2 foot deep. It's 3 or 4 or 5.
Yeah. What's all that stuff in front of us there?
That's the beaver electrification project.
Is that what you do that?
Yeah.
What is that, electric fence that you built?
I'll take it down there and explain it to you.
Okay.
Keep the beaver, that's the overflow pipe. See that little box on the left, that gray color
Yeah,
box?
yeah. That's what he kept like damming
That's
up.
the water control box. That controls the water on Big Pond, the height. It's like little boards that slide up and down on channels.
Okay.
Makes a dam. So you control the water level in Big Pond.
Okay.
And there's a pipe from Big Pond that drains into that water control box, and you would keep plugging up the pipe all the time.
Okay.
You'd have to go in there and rake all this debris out, throw it up on shore, and
That's a huge pain in the ass.
then you come back the next day and it would look the same. You just keep plugging it up. So we found this old DEC book that showed how to make a electric fences to keep the beavers out.
So it is an electric fence.
Yeah.
And it works? He hasn't been in there since?
Yeah, once we put that in there, as long as some fool don't shut it off,
Yeah.
they do that once in a while. It's got a solar charger on it. There's a deep cycle battery in that box.
Like a marine battery type thing?
And
Okay.
there's a solar charger on it. And you see those little wires that hang down?
Yeah.
All right.
Are those electric?
Those are electrified.
Okay.
And it's just a big circle around there, and those